Hi everyone, Monica here with Simply Monica, and I'm here today to share with everyone the card that I made for my second round project for the Spellbinders design team. I decided to make a 3-step card, which looks like this. You open it up, and then you have the 3 different steps that you can see. For this project, what you're going to need is 2 8.5 by 6 pieces of paper, which I went ahead and pre-cut. The first 8.5 by 6 piece of paper, what we're going to do is we're going to score it at 4 1/4 from top to bottom. And all we're simply doing with this piece is we're folding it and we're going to set it aside because we're going to be coming back to that. Oops. Now for the second 8.5 by 6 piece of paper, what we're doing is we're making horizontal marks from left to right on the paper, from the 2-inch mark here and the 4-inch mark all the way across. And after we get that done, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making little marks on this 2-inch one here at 3 1/4 and again at 5 3/4. For the 4-inch line that we drew, we are making a mark at 3 3/4 and 6 1/4, because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking a craft knife and cutting in between those 2 marks, which I've done here, as you can see. Now, once we've got that done, we're going to, from top to bottom, make a score mark down at 2 1/4 all the way down the page. And then at this 2-inch line here, we're going to make a score mark at 5 1/4 and at 6 1/4. 5 3/4, and again at 6 1/4 here. And once we've got that done, what you're going to do is you're going to be turning the piece of paper over to be making the additional marks. And once you get that paper turned over, it's like this, we're going to be making marks at the 5 1/4, 4 3/4, and again at 4 1/4 down. And once you get everything cut, you're going to start folding your card, you know, the valley folds and stuff. You follow the creases, you fold this folds over like this, and this one's going to be folding over like this, and then this folds in this side just like this. And you can see there is what the steps are going to look like. And then the 8.5 by 6 paper that we just cut, this is where you're going to be adhering it to the paper. And where you're going to be putting the glue is you're going to be adding the glue to it, this here. You're going to turn it over, or you're going to be adding the glue to it to this portion here. And then once you get that all done and glued, you're going to attach it to your paper and glue it just like that. And then you can see that when you're going to fold it and close it up and open it, you will have your steps. Now the easiest way to decorate and make the different cuts and stuff that they're here, the best way is to go back and repeat the steps of how you made this sheet here, so that you can have the little dimensions and pieces cut so that it'll easily fit on the card just like this. And you can make different, you can design it any kind of way you want or anything like that. And then once you get it all pieced and put together, what you will have is your finished card just like this, which is your 3-step card. Thanks.